eastern states is burning for the past 80 days. The clash that happened between two groups has turned out into a very big conflict which has claimed 150 lives. Thousands have been injured and more than 75,000 people are displaced. We could see that children, women and old age people are hiding in the forest. They don't have any food. Every night they go to bed whether they will get up the next morning alive. Such a grave situation is increasing day by day, whereas the Prime Minister of the nation, who is the top brass of the government, has not uttered a word of concern over this. So in this situation, when the Parliament has convened and the monsoon sessions have commenced, we expected that the Prime Minister would come to both the houses of the Parliament and would make a statement with responsibility that what has happened in Manipur, what actions have been taken and what he intends to curtail the conflict or all these things which are going on there. But he declines to come to the Parliament as always. This is totally unfair. The executive is accountable to the Parliament as per parliamentary democracy. So he doesn't take the Parliament into consideration and is not coming there and making a statement, whereas the government is insisting upon us, you just have a normal course of discussion, we will listen to you and reply. We are not worried. So we are insisting that the Prime Minister should come to the House, respect the Parliament and make a statement with the responsibility of being the Prime Minister of this nation, and we are prepared to discuss and accept whatever he tells at the end. This is continuing for the past 3 days, and today in the process of our insistence that the House must suspend all the business and take this issue, Mr. Sanjay Singh, the floor leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, was raising his voice high, and because of that he has been suspended from the Rajya Sabha for the whole of this session. This is becoming the order of the day. Nowadays, if opposition raises their voice, it seems that they feel to make everyone understand that they will be thrown out of the house. This is totally undemocratic. So we have raised a demand with the chairman of the Rajya Sabha that his suspension should be revoked. And meanwhile, we will be continuing to insist that the Prime Minister should come to the house, and then we are prepared to take a discussion.